In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid Alibaba transaction fee. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an order, choose the most cost-effective way to pay, and keep your purchase protected while minimizing unnecessary charges. Start by logging into your account, placing your order, and heading to checkout. When you're asked how you want to pay, look for bank transfer, sometimes listed as TT. This option typically carries lower processing fees than credit cards or PayPal. Follow the payment instructions shown on the checkout page carefully, then send the payment from your bank using the exact beneficiary details and reference provided. Keep in mind that banks may charge their own wire fee and transfers can take a couple of business days to post, so plan your timing accordingly and save your transfer receipt. Before you commit, take a moment to compare all available payment methods at checkout. Open the payment options and review any fee notes or estimates. Consider the total cost, including processing fees and currency conversion. Credit and debit cards, as well as PayPal, usually add higher percentage base charges and may apply less favorable exchange rates. Bank transfer is often cheaper, and Alibaba Pay Later can be convenient, but may include financing costs. Choose the method with the lowest all-in fee for your order size. It's also worth negotiating payment terms with your supplier through the platform's chat. Politely ask whether they offer partial payments, discounts for bank transfers, or local payment options that could reduce fees. If you reach an agreement, make sure those terms are reflected in the official order so your protections remain intact. Another smart move is to pay in the supplier's preferred currency. Ask which currency they accept, and when possible, send funds in that currency to avoid extra conversion charges. Disable automatic currency conversion offered by your bank, card, or PayPal, and let the payment be processed in the destination currency to prevent double markups. To lower conversion costs even more, consider using a multi-currency or low-fee payment account. Services that let you hold and send funds in multiple currencies, international transfer providers, or business payment platforms can offer better exchange rates and lower transfer fees than traditional banks. Set one up in advance so it's ready when you check out. Finally, keep all payments on the Alibaba platform, even if a supplier suggests paying off platform to